Megan. Root beer. Mom! That was so mature.
Fight me. This is going to rock.
Yeah, it's gonna rain. So
It was raining earlier.
we're gonna blow something up.
I wanted to like go swimming and stuff, and we put one hand and we're like, nah.
We're gonna blow like the car stick up.
Make sure this thing don't tip over while it takes off.
Yeah.
Oh. Better not.
Do you have a will?
I have a will.
Come over here.
I do.
Come over here.
I don't
You
have
gotta
anything
duck
for you,
in
but
here.
I have a will.
If it takes off,
I do.
it's
You
right
can
at
have.
dude. Stand right here by Brett.
I don't know what you can have, but
Okay.
I'll come up something.
Here.
I might go in like side of the yard.
I'll adopt your mom. Okay? Random.
Get over here, just in case.
Watch it.
Run.
Megan, you like it?
Oh my god. Alright. Oh, okay. For a second I thought that